Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to add the numberings on your current Canva docs on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add the numberings in your Canva docs for your important notes or important points or important data. So here I just mentioned 1 to 6. I just need to have a numbering option for this. So first of all, select the data you just need to number. For example, if I just need to number for first 4, just select that 4 only. Then you have this floating toolbar on the top, and here you have the option called list. Click this and click this again, which shows it will change to numberings. So if I just need to select all the thing, I just need to number all. You can also add a quick action like click on the plus symbol and just search as number here. So it shows numbering list. Click on this, which will number the list. So this is how you just add a numberings to your important points or your Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.